Hello, my name is Dr. Chen. Today we're going to be talking about orthotics. So first, what is an orthotic? Well, an orthotic is a device that you put in your shoe. It's designed to give you support and comfort. Generally speaking, there are two categories of orthotics. There are over-the-counter orthotics. Those are prefabricated, widely available. You can buy them online on Amazon. Here at the Foot and Ankle Clinics of Arizona, we have our own proprietary inserts that we dispense. They are $50 and they're only available to foot and ankle clinics. The second category of orthotics are custom molded orthotics, and so as the name suggests, it's custom fitted to the patient, and they can accommodate a wider variety of foot deformities, and also they can be custom tailored to the patient's use case. So what does that mean? Well, if the patient is an athlete, we can use a lighter, thinner material to give the athlete, some more explosive motion on the field, for example. If the patient wants something put into a dress shoes, something that's a little narrower, we can adjust the length and the width of the custom insert. So it's going to take me about 3 weeks to make, and the next time I see is going to be in 3 weeks, okay? Let's talk about the types of patients that need an orthotic. The patients that I'm usually dispensing orthotics to fall into three major categories: flat feet, patients with high arch, and patients with a more rigid foot deformity. So let's start off with patients with flat feet. So patients with flat feet typically feel pain either on the instep of their foot or their heel. And these are structures that typically are under a lot of stress and strain, and they're overworked essentially. And so with a supportive arch orthotic, it allows the patient to walk maintaining their arch, and also relieving these structures like the tibialis posterior tendon and the plantar fascia from being overworked essentially. And so the next category of patients are those that have high arches. Now, patients with high arches can feel pain in their heel, in the ball of their feet, on the outside of their feet, and sometimes even on top, on the midfoot, from long-standing arthritis. And so in this scenario, wearing an orthotic that's supportive with a supportive arch can help redistribute the forces, the ground forces that are just constantly bashing up against the heel and the ball of their feet. And the third category of patients with a more rigid foot deformity, rigid as in unable to return to a normal rectus position, either from long-standing arthritis or congenital deformity that the patient had when they were born. In these cases, a custom molded orthotic can help meet the deformity and also ensure a good interface with the ground so that they have a proper kinetic chain and they can walk normally without pain. So that is my summary of orthotics in a nutshell.